Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your T-Mobile password, this simple guide will walk you through the process quickly and securely. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the T-Mobile website at tmobile.com. Click on the Login button in the top right corner of the page. Step 2. On the Login page, locate and click the Forgot Password or Forgot ID Password link below the login fields. Step 3. Enter your T-Mobile phone number or email address associated with your account. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Choose your preferred verification method. T-Mobile will send a verification code via text message to your registered phone number or email. Step 5. Check your phone or email for the verification code. Enter this code on the T-Mobile website when prompted. Step 6. Once verified, you'll be directed to create a new password. Choose a strong password with at least 8 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 7. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the verification field. Make sure both entries match exactly. Step 8. Click Submit or Reset Password to complete the process. Your password has now been successfully reset. Step 9. Log into your T-Mobile account using your phone number or email and your new password to verify everything works correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.